The world can be a strange place. However, are you prepared for one of life's simple but many emergencies? For instance, what would you do if the power goes out? Now, what would you do if the power was out for several days? Depending on where you live, you could possibly rely on a gas-powered generator, but for others this may not be an option. Thankfully, due to the advancements in battery technologies, anyone can now own and use a portable generator. Some units pack hours worth of power, or even a few days worth of power. Just like with a regular gas-powered generator, as the customer you would look for a unit size that will fit your needs. But truly one of the best options is no more gas. With electric generators you have other options when it comes to charging up your generator. One of the best options being the sun. You can make a simple solar array to power your devices during the day using pass-through technology and to also charge your generator at the same time. With many units that range from 500 watt-hours to 2100 watt-hours or more. You could power many devices for days. I will also provide information for a few solar panels you can use right out of the box. Just plug and play and you're all good. Now just click on one of the links I provided if you want to learn more about solar generators, and see which one is right for you. This information was brought to you by Electric Tech Life.